Welcome to the front of your Realme C55, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi test device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the available networks, enter the password, and if you want to see this password you should click to this icon. After that, just tap to connect on the right upper corner, wait a second, and we can see that we're successfully connected to this network. If you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click on the switcher. Also, get one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. Just click once on the icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. Then select just the network. Click to more if you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.